The story, the Oyo State Governor, Makinde, has ordered the demolition of the tortured center in Ibadan, where 259 inmates were rescued by officers of the Oyo State Police Command. Makinde, who disclosed this during a visit to the center on Tuesday, revealed that 22 out of 259 inmates were ill and currently being hospitalized. Correspondent Kuleojo has the details.
Governor Makinde, who led other government officials to the center where 259 inmates were rescued, condemned the alleged torture and inhuman treatment at the center. Makinde disclosed that appropriate organs of government has been saddled with the responsibility of demolishing the center, adding that proper investigation will be conducted, while the law will also be enforced.
Perpetrate this kind of evil. Yes, we've marked it for demolition. We'll have here. We'll ensure we get this place away from those people doing all of this type of things within the ambit of the law. And also, you have the law enforcement agencies here. All those involved, they are going to be prosecuted to the full extent of our law.
While insisting that he will not tolerate any form of incarceration of persons under any guise, the governor urged parents and guardians to take advantage of the approved government correctional facilities.
Institutions that can do that, and we are trying, to rehabilitate those places. It's for the people of Oyo State. So whatever is necessary, looking at the laws of our land, regarding this kind of thing, we will ensure we get this place away from those people doing all of this type of things.
The rehabilitation center located at Sanyo in Ibadan, Makinde disclosed that 22 out of the 259 inmates rescued yesterday are critically ill. It was gathered that some parents have been coming secretly to take their children from the center. So some of the inmates confirmed that they were brought to the center by their parents, who accused them of bad behavior. From Ibadan, Kuleojo, Galaxy TV.